Are you looking for the best camping stoves? In this video, we will look at some of the 4 best camping stoves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Eureka Ignite Plus. If you enjoy camping in large groups and would love to have a gas burner that can accommodate the entire crew, this Eureka Ignite Plus might be exactly what you need. Designed with a larger capacity than the standard Ignite stove, this gas stove features 2 propane burners that deliver a combined 10,000 BTUs of efficient cooking power. In addition, it comes with an innovative simmer control, 2-turn feature, which offers excellent precision flame adjustment capabilities. This allows you to easily choose between a light simmer and a super fast boil. The camp stove is compact in size and features a push-button igniter, making it easy to start. It also comes with other convenient features, such as fold-out windscreens to help protect the flame as you cook. This is a highly portable stove with thick-gauge steel construction rugged enough to withstand the great outdoors. Finally, it has adjustable non-slip rubber feet. This means that not only will your stove always be level, but you can rest assured that it won't slip off the table when you are cooking should there be a sudden gust of wind or someone accidentally bumps into it. At number 2. Coleman Classic Propane. As far as outdoor gear goes, you can hardly find better products than those produced by Coleman. And this Coleman Classic Propane stove is a perfect example. Designed to be extremely portable for outdoor use, it weighs only 0.04 pounds. This propane stove also comes with 2 burners putting out 20,000 BTUs of cooking power. What makes this burner special is that it features pressure control technology to keep the heat steady and consistent for excellent cooking performance even in frigid weather, low fuel situations, or high altitudes. That makes this camping stove ideal for almost every type of camping trip. It also comes with a host of additional features that make it convenient for cooking outside. Among these features, you will find side panels that shield the burners from the wind. These side panels can be easily adjusted when using larger pans. They can also be folded down to be used as side tables. In addition, the burner of this camping stove has a rotating dial that allows for precision temperature control. At number 3. GSI Outdoors Selkirk 540. This GSI Outdoors Selkirk 540 comes with 2 burners with individual microcontrol valves that ensure you enjoy nothing less than precise tunability as well as maximum heat output from each of those burners. This allows you to easily select the kind of heat you want. You can choose between slow simmering, fast boiling, and full-strength heat. These 2 burners provide you with 10,000 BTUs of cooking strength, which is more than ideal for almost every type of meal you might want to cook in the wild. Furthermore, this tabletop stove comes with wraparound windscreens that are perfect when it comes to preventing sudden gusts of wind from either getting dirt into your food or blowing out your flames. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and reasonably rugged. It is also durable enough to withstand being used outdoors. At number 4. Jetboil Flash Camping and Backpacking Stove. This Jetboil Flash camping and backpacking stove was designed for backpackers who like to travel light and love backcountry cooking. The one thing that stands out the most about this camping stove is how fast it can boil water. The manufacturer modeled this backpacking stove using several select materials that optimize efficiency while effectively cutting down the time it takes to boil water on this stove. With this technology, you can have your water boiling in under 100 seconds. That makes it the fastest stove in the industry. Furthermore, it comes with a 1-liter flux ring cooking cup that is insulated, making it ideal for boiling water and keeping its contents warm, making it the perfect camping stove. You can boil water, cook soup, and even prepare dehydrated meals in this cup. Featuring a reliable push-button igniter, this stove is easy to start and lightweight, making it the ideal option for backpacking. Finally, it has a thermochromatic heat indicator that changes color when your water is ready, so you always have safe drinking water when you are backpacking.